All right, my name is Taunda Ndomo. I'm the founder and director of Kachini Experiences. This is a company within the tourism space, and our focus is on art, nature, and culture tours. But the thrust is to empower the rural community so that we co-design the tours, but they manage and lead the tours themselves, and the income goes directly into the rural communities. So, coming to this Zim Trade Service Sector Engagement Workshop has really opened up my eyes to the possibilities of being able to market our service outside Zimbabwe. I also got to appreciate some of the things that we really need to work on because, like it was pointed out by the presenter, um, service is something that the consumer um, or the client consumes at that point. So we need to be really professional in terms of how we deliver our services. So it's been a really enlightening workshop, and I look forward to the rest of the afternoon where we can have an appreciation on trade agreements and other platforms that can take advantage of being in the tourism space and also getting to know other countries around our borders that are looking for more services within the tourism sector. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nyasha Mdekwa. I'm from 69 Construction, and I'm here for the Zone Trade Export Services Export Workshop that I was attending. I'm really excited about this workshop because it's something that opened my eyes to realize the opportunities that are there to export our services, our construction services, in countries such as Zambia, Mozambique, and DRC. So we're really excited for what Zentrade is doing for us, and we're looking forward to also now getting into those industries, into those countries, and exporting our services.
My name is Tendai Chijolo. I'm here representing the Kaparananja Arts Ensemble. I just want to thank Zintrade for giving us the opportunity to learn about exports. Sometimes we relegate the intangible cultural heritage to just being local, but today we just learned that we can actually export our very beautiful intangible heritage to the broader world.
Uh, which countries have you performed in?
We've had opportunities to perform in India, where we shared our different cultural dances to the broader international audience. And people really appreciated what we have as Zimbabwe. And we need more opportunities like that to express our beautiful heritage to the broader world. And we also encourage tourism for people from the international community to come to Zimbabwe and partake of our beautiful heritage.